Hey guys, it's me again, Yongik. So today I'd like to share with you guys another recording. Last night I attended a session by BOS. I was invited as a guest speaker over there. So I actually shared a lot of knowledge and everything. So I'll probably be releasing the full video soon on my YouTube channel. So do stay tuned. But anyway, I'd like to do a quick market update. So what happened recently was that last week, ever since they actually announced all those very bad figures on the employment and everything, right? So the market started to rally back up. Now, why would the market rally back up with all these bad figures, right? You're confused, and if you're a retail investor, you're a new investor, you also be confused. So let me break it all down for you. All right, so at the current rate where Donald Trump is imposing tariffs on the US, on the US, on the China or Mexico, although that has been resolved, on China itself is especially huge, right? So all of these news are actually bad news that would actually hurt the market, right? And it's starting to hurt US consumer. So right now, if US consumer are hurt, the Federal Reserve have to do something, have to step in and lower the interest rate to make things easier for businesses operate. So now bad news, all the bad news are it's a catalyst for Federal Reserve to lower their reserve rates. And when is it going to happen? It's actually going to happen tonight. Analysts are predicting that they're actually going to lower their interest rate tonight, and then that's why the market actually rallied the past few days. But yesterday and today the market was kind of a stagnant, so I'll touch on that later. And then last night Donald Trump actually announced that he actually have a long distance call with President Xi Jinping from China. So he actually announced that it's a good call. The conversation went well, and they're gonna extend the G20 meeting. After the G20 meeting, they're gonna extend it and continue the trade talks. But honestly, I would say don't get your hopes too high up because of the Huawei incident, right? Unless they can really overcome the Huawei stuff, then things will get better because Huawei is the biggest company in China. So unless they can overcome that, then things will get better lah. But anyway, when you take a look at the stock market, Dow Jones Industrial Average, at this point in time, we're actually sharing around this range here. I was actually sharing with my private stock investing group that the market most likely will continue to go all the way up to this red line, and then maybe it will challenge it, see if it can break past. If it cannot break past, then it will come down and form a resistance line there. But if it can break past, it most likely will form a new high. Alright, so this is what happened. We did actually increase our position over the past few weeks to actually hit this point here. So right now we're nearing this point here. And last few things that happened was that Facebook actually announced a huge news in the market, whereby they actually announced a new cryptocurrency called Libra. Now Libra is going to be a next generation, next kind of stuff, whereby MasterCard, PayPal, a lot of company, Visa, all actually invested into this company. It's called a stable coin. All right, and back when Facebook was here, I was actually not really recommending, but I actually sent out a newsletter saying that it's a good time to actually hold some Facebook, right? I think Facebook is good, the business model is good. Just when investors think that Facebook can only do advertising, they come out with a new cryptocurrency stuff whereby you can buy and sell stuff next time on Facebook itself. You don't have to go anywhere. It cuts out all the middlemen like Carousel, eBay, all this kind of stuff, because they already have their own marketplace already. Alright, so this is some huge stuff there, but we do see that Facebook is currently having a little sell-off. Likely reason is that all these US authorities, government agencies are requesting for a breakup of this company because they're getting too big and they're not being regulated. Even the ads really was a huge problem, and now they're getting into cryptocurrency and everything. So there is a huge concern by the government agency and calling for the company to break up. And even if they do break up, as a shareholder, you should be kind of happy also because you receive shares from a lot of places, right? So don't worry about that. Believe in the business model that Facebook is bringing, and also on top of it, they actually already set up I think $3 to $5 billion already to pay the FTC in case of any fines or whatever due to their Privacy Act and all. So I mean, Facebook is cash rich. Its business model is very good too. So I really like Facebook. I have open position in Facebook, so that's Facebook. We'll see that Adobe actually beats earning and it actually rallied upwards. So Adobe is here, it rallied upwards despite soft guidance. So that's one thing, a cloud-based company to look at. Let's see what else. We also have oil, USO. Oil tankers were being hit and then they start to rally, and today at 10:30 a.m. US time, which is 10:30 p.m. Singapore time, there's actually an announcement, but because every week they'll do an oil announcement where how many barrels are left and how many barrels week over week surplus or week over week decrease in supply. So they actually announced that there's a 311 million decrease in barrels for oil, so demand is lesser, and economics demand supply. When demand is lesser, given the constant supply, supposedly a constant supply, the prices would increase. All right, so that's why oil increased. I also have open positions in oil. I actually recommended to my group, I think it was Monday, I recommended them to get into oil because of the oil tanker incident. So that's also another aspect that we were actually quite lucky to look at it, to saw it first and then enter in the position of it. All right, so this is a quick 6 to 7 minutes video on market updates. Most likely Dow Jones is gonna either hit, I mean at this point in time, it's either you take profits out or you actually add more positions if you feel that it's going to break past this this resistance line. But the key thing is that tonight Federal Reserve, next week G20 summit. All right, so once again, this is Yong. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you like any of my videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is up there. Just go over to my YouTube, subscribe it. It's absolutely 100% free. I share videos all the time for free. All right, so thank you very much for tuning in and see you next time. Bye bye.